So it's wonderful to come to the school and see what children learn and observe in day-to-day life. So basically, as a parents, it's a great importance for us to see that are our children's, getting the right learnings, getting the right experience. And when we come to such events, it's really wonderful to see, the support of the teachers. And definitely means, for us, since we moved just this year, so it makes us more concerned. But it feels really relieved and great, when we see that, yeah, they're in the right school. So it's fantastic coming to this open house. Thank you.